Good morning, one and all. I'm very much happy to announce that the admission process into two-year B.Ed at Gosaigaon B.Ed College under Bodoland University has started today, that is the 2nd of September 2021. For details, the intending candidate have to visit www.bodolanduniversity.ac.in. Before submission of online application for admission into B.Ed at Gosaigaon B.Ed College, every students are required to register for unique ID from the website issued by the Director of Higher Education Gov of Assam, that is www.directorateofhighereducation.assam.gov.in. The last date for submission of online application form is 30th of this month. Date of entrance, date of declaring the result, date of admission, date of counseling will be notified later by the Bodoland University. My dear students, let me share very important information that for applying for the admission into B.Ed, every student must have at least 50% of marks either in graduation or post-graduation, and for ST and SC, they must have minimum 45% either in graduation or post-graduation. And these norms are as per the NCTE, that is National Council for Teacher Education. I am very much happy to inform that the Gosaigaon B.Ed College has been surviving for 25 years. It was established in 1995 and it offers method paper in English, Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, mathematics, Hindi. So intending candidates can contact me, and they can also visit the website of Gosaigaon B.Ed College. The surroundings and the environment of the Gosaigaon B.Ed College is very much neat and clean. It is congenial atmosphere. It is far away from the disturbing place. We are always trying to ensure the quality academic environment, and therefore we have constituted several committees like academic committee, examination committee, disciplinary committee, grievance and redressal committee, sexual harassment committee, women empowerment committee, trainees union, and so many committees. So there we are working for the betterment of the trainees. The college has a playground, boys hostel, and good infrastructure facility. Intending candidate can contact me directly in this number. My number is 8638077413. They can call me without any hesitation for admission purpose and for details about the admission process. So thank you all.